Hi viewers, sorry about the dodgy camera angles, but we are still trying to get to grips with our video equipment. But there again, since I am the better looking one, especially if we did cut the other kid's head out.
Hello tubers and welcome to the Pistol Arnold Workshop. With our new and improved video camera. Unfortunately the old one died in actual. Today we're back.
Was last Wednesday.
Yeah, for those of you who missed it, you might get some coverage on +1. Yes, we're back on the calf racer today. We're a bit cramped unfortunately, but we can't do much about that.
We call it good, we can get rid of this shit up.
We call it snug rather than cramped.
We call it so, shitter.
It's a bit hard to see what we've done, but we've been carrying on with it.
Fuck all.
We've done a bit. We've made an exhaust system now, which is pretty smart. Complete system.
We'll give you a close-up of that in a minute.
Yeah, we'll get some pictures of that. So here's a better shot for you, so you can see what's happening. So here's a better shot for you, so you can see what's happening. This is our new exhaust. That's a master hanging off the side there. This is going to be our rear hugger. It's this balanced at the moment. Exhaust. Now this tucks under the engine. Used to come out the side, about here, and look rank and horrible because it was custom shitter. And around the front. This is our rig at the moment, as we don't have a front end still. Big pair of carbs. So, there you go, just as we were in the way a bit. Alright. And back to us.
What's up?
Intruder outside.
Was it a little black dog?
Yeah.
Hey, Tizzler!
Back though. There you go. Yes. Anyway. We made it.
Number of our fans.
Yeah, our number one fan actually. What else have we done? Oh, we've got, I don't know if you can see, mounted the rear light on it now, which is all operational. All the looms completely done now, which is smart. All the clocks wired in. We've got the ignition binnacle, which has been all painted, and the electric start and light switches and everything work.
Would you like to see it, children? I'm sure he will demonstrate.
Yes, yeah, we've got it over here. Don't drop it.
Oh, for fuck's sake. That would be more than my life's worth if I dropped that twat.
Yeah, a bit of French packing.
Yeah, cracking.
Yeah. Oh. Check this out.
We'll run through what does what then.
Okay, so what we've got, big red button, switch, that's your starter.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's covered. And then we've got the little light switches here, these are all independent, so you've got the side, your main, no, dip even, and then your main. And then Le Tutor at the bottom. So that's all nicely done, that's done.
And painted.
And proper plugged and painted and all sorts. So that's cool. What else have we done? Oh yeah, I've been cool.
Oh, that.
Fucking around with this. This is going to be our rear mudguard.
Rear hugger.
Yeah, hugger, not mudguard, I should say.
Yeah.
So, nice.
And
this is our bracket.
It's supposed to be a fucking cap racer.
Yeah, they keep adding notes to it. Cap racer, but yeah, so we've got that. And we're working out a rear set this side for the brake, master mount, and stuff like that. It still runs, which is a bonus. What else have we done?
So it's hard to keep track, isn't it?
Twatted my head off the French frame about half a dozen times. Properly drew blood the other night.
So that's now gone.
Which is impressive, so we swung that.
Haven't really, just there. What else is there? We have had a question. What size carburetors are you using on this?
Big ones.
You like big ones?
Yeah. A big pair I'm using actually. Yeah. Oh, I've got some footrest. BMX stomp food. these down here. This is going to be the pegs. This is why I was saying we're working out all the rear sheds and stuff at the moment. These actually came today, which is cool. So this is a sneaky preview. Hence they're still in the packet.
Oops, that fell off.
Yes, it fell off. Didn't need that bit. That's all I need. Nice. Billet foot brake. I don't think that was important.
Oh, that bit you just welded on, wasn't it?
So, yeah, the welder's been out in full force, got a few burns.
We have another one.
Hell yeah. Oh, they are over here, sorry.
They're down here.
Oh, you moving? Oh, good man. Yes, so that's it for the Calf Racer, folks. So, we're sure to update you in the meantime. Thank you very much. I'm just going to just make sure this is alright, fit for human consumption. We'll,
excuse me.
We'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Please
subscribe.
Subscribe your, subscribe. What's the word? I don't know. Question Billy Ballswell. Please send us an email, drop us a text, send us a letter. Yep, so we've still got that. Eventually we'll get back on the French.
Hopefully he'll be back next week, only he's being entertained by the police at the moment.
Yeah, he's bit of indecent exposure. Yes, anyway, like, subscribe, Facebook, other videos, and we'll see you again.